Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by shredding or cubing your melting cheese so heat distributes quickly. This prevents clumping. Place a heavy saucepan over low to medium-low heat and add a little water, milk, or cream, about 2–4 tablespoons per cup of cheese, to create a liquid base. Once done, stir continuously with a silicone spatula to melt gradually. Make sure to add 1–2 tablespoons of butter or a starch slurry while melting. This smooths texture and prevents separation as you transform solid cheese into a pourable liquid. Once most cheese is softened, you need to emulsify to avoid oiling out. You do this by keeping heat low, never boil, and whisking constantly so proteins and fat bond with the liquid. If separation starts, add a teaspoon of acid like lemon juice or 1–2 teaspoons of mustard to help proteins rebind. If texture is loose, mix 1 teaspoon cornstarch with 1 tablespoon cold water and whisk it in. Make sure to cook for 1 minute to activate thickener, while stirring steadily to achieve a glossy, uniform pourable sauce. You finish by tasting and adjusting seasoning, then transfer the liquid cheese to a warmed serving vessel. This keeps it pourable. If the sauce thickens, thin with warm milk or cream a tablespoon at a time while whisking. If it breaks and becomes oily, don't panic. Add a small splash of acid, whisk vigorously, and reheat gently in a double boiler to bring proteins back together. Make sure to serve warm and avoid reheating fast. Slow, low heat preserves texture and prevents further separation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.